This assignment is to be completed with a parent or a guardian. What I would like you to do is to please read both your course syllabus and the lab safety contract with a parent or a guardian. After you have read the documents, please have your parent or guardian fill out this Google form. Now, the reason why I'm asking for a Google form this year is because I am trying to limit the amount of paper that comes to and from school. So after reading the two documents, parents and guardians, please fill out this form and click the submit button. During our in-person class meetings, we will be going over parts of the syllabus, and we will be spending a day going over lab safety and all the safety equipment that is located in the classroom. So we will go over those things. If any questions come up, there is a place for you to write them down in the Google form. You can have your child bring them with them to school, so that way we can address it in class, or as always, you are more than welcome to send me an email.